So I just wanted to show this box that I got. It's the premium box. It went for $25, and the items in it are supposedly worth $52, which is pretty standard for the premium box. Got orange and black tissue paper. Open it up. Let's see what we got in here. Alright. 3 lip products, it looks like. Just throw that over here. Alright, so we got a... Oh, awesome. Okay, so this is a lip liner, which we know he just came out with the new type of lip liner, I don't know, maybe a couple months ago. I think in July, actually. Yeah, in July. So I actually hadn't gotten any of these yet, but I am needing the unicorn blood lip liner. This is the only one that I really wanted, but I just really wasn't feeling like spending money. So that is absolutely awesome, because now I don't have to get that. Because I have the liquid lipstick unicorn blood, which is the perfect red for me. But when you have a red lipstick, it's nice to have a lip liner. So very nice. So I can try out this new formula without having to... This is basically 50% off in the mystery box. So there it is. Oh yeah, that glides on really very easily and very pigmented. See, that's just one glide. That's pretty great. Okay. I'll have to try that out with the liquid lipstick as well. Then we have a gloss. You can tell by how large it is and the fact that it says the gloss. So it is Crystal Climax. I have actually not tried this one before. Looks like it could be like a bronze. I don't have any of his bronze colors, but this should be kind of fun to try out. Let's see. Oh yeah, very coppery. So that's the only thing, is these really tend to hold on to it. I mean, I'm sure it keeps it stable while it's traveling, but it's a little annoying. I end up generally ripping these out. So ooh, that is pigmented. There we go. Wow, shiny. We'll just swatch a little bit here. Oh, that's pretty. I mean, I gotta say, for my skin type and like my coloring, I don't wear a lot of bronzes, you know, in coppery colors. But we'll have to try that on lips and see. Oh, that is very sparkly. See, that could be fun for like a fancy occasion, or just to go out and be random. I think that would be like beautiful on some skin tones. But yeah, there you go. So that is Crystal Climax. And then our last item is unicorn blood. Is this the liquid lipstick? Yeah, it's the liquid lipstick. Okay, that's really cool. Like I said, I do have this. I don't wear it that much because, well, actually, I think have I worn it yet? I don't think I've worn it yet. I really like it. But I haven't worn it yet because I don't generally wear dramatic colors, but it's a really good skin tone for my coloring, because I have this, you can see it's very pink skin, where some reds and stuff just really draw out my redness in my face. I don't like a whole lot of reds. But unicorn blood has this really cool toned red that I really love. So I may get out mine and show you that, because I don't think I need 2 of these. I don't know. We'll see. This is what unicorn blood looks like in the vial. It looks a lot oranger here on camera. It's really not orange. It's like, I would say a dark brick red is a nice description of it. This is somewhat similar to how it looks in real life, but it's a little bit more purple in real life. So, yeah. So this is what came in the box. We have the Crystal Climax lip gloss, which retails for $18. The Unicorn Blood liquid lipstick, which retails for $18. And the Unicorn Blood lip liner, which retails for $16. So that does indeed add up to $52. Costs $25, so that is over a 50% deal there. And yeah, that's the box. Hope you liked it.